Morning. It's currently early, and the fiance just got home, and I get to work on a Jeep today. Not only do I get to work on a Jeep, I get to replace both sides of the front axle, the inner axle seal. I already got the parts. I'm using Spicer part number something. I've got the gear oil, 80/90 weight. I've got gasket maker for the front diff cover. Let's get into it. I got the right socket now, the locking socket. Well, at least I hope I got the right one. There we go. That would be U-lube for sure. Okay, next I gotta disconnect the ABS sensor, so I'll get that disconnected. Then we take the caliper, rotor, then the 3 bolts that hold the axle, pull that sucker out. ABS sensor done. Eating a sandwich. Walmart. Okay, so now that that's out of the way, I'm going to take the 2 bolts off that hold the brake caliper. I don't know what size those are. Cool. Well, come on. There you go. Shoot, I hope this zip tie can hold this. Okay, so next is the 3 13mm 12-point bolts that are on the back side of the axle. Oh yeah. Yup, piece of cake. There we go. Get the WD-40. I gotta beat on this and break this axle free. There she comes. Come to Papa. Where am I gonna put this? Oh yeah, I forgot. I gotta get these sockets the rest of the way out. Ooh. Yeah, you think it was leaking? I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, so I'm not gonna video it. Cool. Got both axles out. So the trick for this is get a bigger drain pan for step 1. Am I gonna be able to? We'll make it work. I need a wobble socket. Right there. Okay, so here's the trick for this. Leave the top bolt, do the rest. That looks fine. Definitely gonna have material, but there's no chunks. So, time to take this out, put seals in. Okay, we'll get the ratchet. Not bad. Set that right there. That was not bad at all. Well, I'm sorry. I started messing with stuff and I popped it out finally. But anyway, just to remember, we've got 2 shims here and 2 shims here. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna put those shims on that side. We're gonna put these shims on this side. And if anybody touches it, I'll kill you. All right, I got it all cleaned out. Time to pop these seals out. I'm gonna be replacing them with Spicer, of course. Not gonna cheap out on something like these. So this is the part number, it is 54381. And that replaces for a Dana 30 or apparently a Dana 44. I'm not quite sure how, it must be the same axle diameter. But yeah, time to swap these bad boys out. I got a new tool, so that's exciting. And hopefully gonna work for this. Well, yeah, that was bad. So this is the driver's side. And it's actually separate. Okay. I gotta clean that little ridge right there. I see how they did it there. Should be the same for me. Just remember, it's only a dumb idea if it doesn't work. Okay, first one's in. Making sure it's just flush. Blends in well there. That's good. So that's right in the right spot there. And now we're gonna do this side. I'm doing it a little different than any other video. I just use them all. I have this seal installer kit, and I just put the flat side of this against the seal, and I send it home. All right, new seals are in. Now I gotta put the diff back in. First I gotta clean it, but I gotta put it back in. We're back. Okay. Oh, yeah, that was... Okay, finally got it installed. I just had to make sure everything's going on right. So now we start putting everything back on. This is a Dana 30, so 45 foot-pounds. Yep. Oh, by the way, these are 12 point, so I had an excuse to buy a set of Quinn 12 point sockets. Rotors are good, by the way, or at least good enough. Anyway, we're good. There we go. That's one side done. That's torqued back on. Those 3 are torqued to the correct numbers. Let's go to the other side. All right, next side going in. Here's the bolts. All right, we're done. Got that done. I got to put this thing back on its paws, put dip fluid in it, or 80, 90, whatever. Clean up, you know the deal. Take it for a test spin. It's going to be kind of hard because it's raining outside, but should be good. So now I just got to do one of these. All right. We got to put the fluid in it. Drink up, little buddy. All right. I think I got it. I've driven it probably 15, 20 miles. Took it on the highway, did 80 with it. It didn't make any noise. Seems to be fine. Yeah, I think we're going to chalk this one up as fixed. I'm going to go make sure that it's not leaking. But thanks for watching the video. Appreciate it. We'll see you guys next time.